regular person. Whenever a drug addict's being shitty, they got an excuse. What's everybody else's? Hell, well, that's some good stuff right in there. I can just keep on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was about me sharing my life and everything. I guess if anybody's watching, anybody has been watching, that's watching right now, remembers a while back whenever I was a whole going crazy and stuff, like flipping out and stuff. Well, guess what? That incident, that same incident, is gonna come back and bit me in the butt like I would be glad. And all you nice people do nice things. Amen. Good for you. Pay it forward. Keep paying it forward. That's what I'm gonna keep paying. As bad as I'd like to join the world in being shitty, as if I wasn't already living my life trying not to be a shitty person. As it was, I done been told, oh, y'all don't want to be a superhero. I want to be super real. But no, not super real. It's going to be super real super. Because when I ain't being super real, I'll be being real super and something. Like right now, I'm a real super video poster model. Tomorrow, I might be really super asshole. And if I'm being that, I'm probably gonna ride it out all day. I'm just letting you know because I'm just having a bad day. It's all up here ain't got nothing to do with you. So, but no, I'm not gonna let you ruin my day. 5 minutes of my day and me drag it out all day. No, you don't got that much control right here, buddy. Alright? If you are, if you do, you are special. Very, very special to me. And be thankful. Because my long list of favorite people ain't very long. And you ain't even got to be on that list to be very, very special to me. Anyways, I told y'all all that to tell y'all this. I think